Hey guys, I'm in the Florida Everglades and I'm looking for a 20-foot Burmese python. But I found a croc first. I don't like the way he's looking at me. He is pretty handsome though. We're taking a boat out here to a secret spot to look for these pythons. On the way, this swamp puppy just comes beelining right at me. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Well, we're finally here. This place is awesome. I know the skunk ape's out here somewhere. Ooh, a swamp puppy. I'm trying not to scare you, buddy. Hopefully I don't fall. That's a juicy cottonmouth. Go on, buddy. I don't want to step on you. The bugs aren't too bad tonight. Just don't breathe. Check out these baby killdeer. So cute. What do we got here? Yoink. It's a yellow rat snake. Great native snake we have here. They're so pretty. Yoink. We got a salt marsh snake. Love these guys. The little guy was fast, but not fast enough. Yoink. It's a ribbon snake. I got one more yoink for you guys. Yoink. It's a scarlet snake, a non-venomous native species we have here in the Everglades.